How to link OnePay to Credit Karma. Open the Credit Karma app or website and sign in to your account. Go to the Money section from the main dashboard. Select the option to manage or add linked accounts. Choose to add an external bank or financial account. Wait for the secure connection screen to load. Type OnePay in the search box to look for the institution. If OnePay does not appear, try searching for the issuing bank name such as Synchrony. Select the closest matching option from the list if available. Enter the login details you use for your OnePay account. Complete any verification step shown on the screen. Allow permission for Credit Karma to access account information. Wait while the system attempts to connect and sync data. Check the linked accounts list to see if OnePay appears. If the link fails, update the app and try again later as support may change. Thank you for watching.